Hey, what's going on? Hey, good morning, everybody. Y'all ready to day trade? We're live. Market's getting tattooed again. Hey, welcome aboard. For those of you that are new, really quickly, hey, thanks for popping in. My name is Jeff. I've been trading for 18 years. I've been in the financial industry for 28. Been day trading the S&P 500 for the last 5 years. All right, this year, brand new, just started prop firm trading. Didn't even know anything about it. I know that sounds stupid. Didn't know nothing. So we passed one evaluation the other day, and we're going to go for some more this week. Apex. All right. Let my students in the room, if you want to join the school, we do option trading, right? We do futures, all that stuff. Just check down below. We'll talk more about that as we get rolling. But sit back, relax. Let's go to work. Let's go to work, my friends. All right. What do we got here? Charles says, I'm looking for a spot to go long. I don't want to short down here. All right. Sounds good, brother. What's going on, man? I'm hurting. I was playing baseball with my son. I'm all messed up, man. Damn. All messed up. What's up, Mitch? Mitch in the house. What's going on, brother? Hey, Mitch, we also have our WebEx chat, okay? So if you have any questions and stuff, type them in the WebEx chat. But we're all good, my man. Oh, fuck. I'm hurting today. What's up, Jeff?
Hey, good morning, guys.
Hey. Watching these crazy markets again, man. I'm all hurting. I was playing baseball with my son. I don't know, man. I don't know if I pulled a muscle. I don't know what happened to it. That shit fucking hurting today. God damn. I still think I'm a kid, dude. Swinging like
I was going to say, man, you're swinging for the fence a little too hard there.
You know what, man? Let me tell you something. I think you're right. But I mean, let me tell you what's crazy is, like, I'm going to be 50 years old this year, and you can't even imagine how far I can still hit the damn baseball. It's crazy. Like, it's insane. My son freaks out, and the other players freak out because look, I'm working with them on rotating the hips, getting power, pulling the ball, and man,
being pro, I mean, you learned all the proper mechanics,
exactly
before that. So.
Yeah, exactly. And you know what? We had a huge revelation. He finally understood. See, he had been watching YouTube videos, and then he saw me hit, and he told me to do a couple things. He didn't tell me what he was looking for, but I would do it, and then he was comparing it in his mind to how that guy on YouTube was saying, and he was like, man, you're doing exactly what that professional on YouTube was saying to do. And I'm like, well, I mean, I told you, like, fuck, I know how to hit shit. I might be old, but I still got the mechanics. But I'm suffering. I think, I don't know. My chest hurts, and I'm hoping it's because I pulled a muscle and not something else. Fuck, dude. It's the left side of my chest, man, right in my heart.
I have to be careful just having a simple game of catch.
No, dude, I get it too. Same with me. I get out there and throw with him, and I mean, fuck, dude. I think I'm in my 20s and shit, but
don't we all?
I'm hurting today.
Oh well, probably not as bad as the market's looking this morning.
God damn, dude. Damn. Mitch asked me right now, Mitch, you're in here. Do I golf? So I used to golf all the time. I mean, all the time. I love it. But I have not played in years. But I absolutely love it. But I haven't played. I don't, I guess I haven't went out there because, you go out there to play golf and it's like an all freaking afternoon thing or a morning. And I come home, because you drink beer, and I come home and I just fall asleep. And the whole day is like, fuck, what happened to the day? So the end, I'm going to type in chat, not in a while, but I used to play all the time. What's happening, John?
Good morning, Jeff.
What's going on, brother? We're just talking about baseball and golf and trying to stay away from the market because the market sucks. No, I'm just kidding. But we are talking about golf and baseball, and I love golf, though. Don't get me wrong. I do. And I used to be pretty good, believe it or not. You know, I would shoot around 82, 83 pretty much all the time, man. I was solid. You know, and again, I guess a lot of that too is baseball players. It's the same mechanics, but in a different way. So there's a lot of baseball players who are good at golf because, again, if you take the baseball swing and you just kind of shift it down some, it's really the same type of approach. But we'll chat about that a little bit later. Let's see what's going on today. Oh my God, my body hurts so bad. Market's getting tattooed. Market is down 70, 78. Jesus Christ. It's an absolute annihilation. I got my clock, man. That's awesome that you can put that clock up on Sarah charts. It's pretty cool. Pretty cool. What's up, Brandon? Didn't even see you, brother. Okay. I'm hurting, but we'll see what happens. You know, this market just is this tariff stuff and these trade wars, man. This market fucking just it sucks, bro. It sucks. That's a big old candle, though, right there. You know, I'm gonna wait 3 minutes. You know, I'm gonna do I got several things I'm gonna do different this week. I also put the Forecast Pro down here. I'm gonna be utilizing the Forecast Pro also for bias and things like that. Same way we use it for options. Same way I use it for options. So let's see what happens, man, this week. Next week is a spring break. I'm going to be gone a lot of the week, man. Oh, no. Going to Houston. But I'll be here all week today. All right, so let me see. 80. Oh, let me make sure my trade's unlocked. Oh, wow, I had the trade locked. I keep forgetting. I seem to forget that a lot. All right. 0350. Purple. All right. Ticks are down pretty extensively here. All right, let's see here. 89.50. All right. I'm in this trade short. Boom. All right. Here we go. All right. Bam. Hit my target. All right. That was a quick target shot. All right. Went short on that break. Pretty much nailed it. All right. So let's keep rolling now. It's a good move. So let me see here. I'm trying to think here. Let me just think for a minute. I've already hit my target. I'm gonna take a break. Took a shot real quick. Target 1. Let me think though. So I'm translating the ticks into points. So the ticks, let me think. Jason said times it by 4. Yeah. Okay, cool. All right. One for one. I'm going to be doing a lot of stuff there. I am today. A lot. All right. So let's see here. I'm going to go ahead and erase. Why hasn't it drawn it yet? Oh, it takes, wait a minute. I'm surprised that hasn't drawn it yet. Hang on. It should draw. Maybe it waits 6 months. I forget. I went in there and I made a lot of changes inside. So I'm hoping I didn't accidentally turn that off. All right. I'm just trying to see here if that pops up. See if that key level. Yeah, okay. I guess it just takes 6 minutes. All right. So you can erase it now. There we go. We got a nice little fake out down here, right? VIX. Glad I got out. Wow, I got out right down there. Hit my target right there at the bottom. Ticks are 298. We got us a nice fake out down here. Oh, do we have any new stuff? I didn't even look. Shit. No. I think they just put that there every day because they put that he could speak, unless he's pretty much speaking every day. There's not much here in the first little bit of time. The Globex clearing. You know what? It might. It sure might. Absolutely. Damn right, brother. Very well might, bro. It very well might. Okay. Just gonna be patient. I know I'm gonna be taking so many trades today. I know it. I'm having to adjust the way I do a lot of stuff based on the evals. The way I was always trading before, I was very picky. Very picky. And I didn't trade in the afternoon at all. And because I was so picky, there was a lot of times where you just really didn't get a lot of setups. You didn't. You guys know sometimes we would take 2 or 3 trades an entire week. I'm having to adjust my strategy quite a bit because 1 or 2 trades a week for me, that's not going to fly. Unfortunately, can't pass an evaluation, not trading, right? So I'm changing a lot of stuff. A lot of back testing. This is going to be a lot of forward testing. But, everybody's got to do whatever they got to do. I've already hit my first target, so we're off to a good start. Ticks are down 140. Who's it? Hey, that's not bad, bro. 991. You can type here in our WebEx too, brother. Lots of times for that that futures live room, Mitch, I like to just use it really to post the link. If you got questions, but yeah, type here in our little WebEx. That way, kind of keeps that room. Yeah, here in the right there. because for the futures live, I kind of just try to keep it to where I post the link so it doesn't get kind of overcrowded there. That's why we have that futures room, right? That futures room, you can post all sorts of stuff in there for sure. I mean, again, I'm not saying it's bad. It's just trying to keep it, you know what I'm saying, right? Trying to keep that one towards like, all right, here's the link. But either way, man, you can post a futures room here. It's all good. But $9.91, you're going to get it, bro. You're going to get it. You are going to get it. All right, ticks are picking up now. We got 15 seconds left. Wait. No, we still got about another minute and a half in this candle. Might be a little fake out right there. Let me see here. Commissions wise. Not bad. Commissions. Gotta watch out for these damn commissions, right? Jeez. Fake out here. Fake out here. All right, so what I want to do is I want to go ahead and start marking this level. 79.25. These key levels will be drawn by the software, but I just like to draw them ahead of time. Let me go ahead and mark this too. All right, cool. Ticks are kind of not doing much. We got about another minute and a half. We got the VWAP right here. We're above the 50 on the Forecast Pro. Why is my numbers not there? Oh, there they are. We're in an orange squeeze. I think I have my target right. All right, so we got about 45 seconds. Okay, market's still down quite a bit. Be careful, right? Charles said, though, watch out too, it's already down so much. All right, let's see here. All right, so there we go. There we go. All right. Let's see what we got. Ticks are kind of not doing much. Watch the VWAP. It's a key area. We got to pay attention to that VWAP. All right. So we got our first kind of opening key levels on the VIX. You know what? I don't think I'm going to make it like that. I'm going to make it a thick like that. There we go. Charles says first 15 minutes formed either side. Could go either way, which is true. Right now, we're kind of never know. The VIX is still trapped a little bit. Ticks are kind of just flopping around. $184. Let's see how we react to that key level. Watch the VWAP. Watch the VWAP. I'm going to make some adjustments over here. Hang on 1 second here. All right. All right. I'm trying to think. I'm trying to do all the math in my head here. Okay. All right. So kind of just flopping around. We're still trapped inside the middle. Ticks are down quite a bit. Wait for it to pick a direction, right? All right. I'm going to erase these lines. Make sure for toss, if you are going to be using toss like me, you have the code, right? For these key levels. They're in the members area. It's part of being the thing. You get them for free, right? It's there. It draws it for you. And they extend throughout the whole day. And that's pretty good. It's pretty good, man. I like that. We're in an orange squeeze still. Remember, we're trapped inside that 15-minute range right now. It could go either way, just like Charles said. Market forecast above 50. Hang on a second. There it is. I wanted to add the strength. Okay, cool. I wanted to add that strength meter. There we go. There it is. Going up. You know, I love this Forecast Pro. I use it every single day in options, every day. So I decided I'm going to be using it also here to help me out with the same thing, bias and same information that we talk about in the options. Bullish strengthening. So if you have the Forecast Pro, if you want to use it, I think it's going to be beneficial. I was thinking about that a lot this weekend. Anything that you can use to help yourself out, but you know, it tells you all this stuff right here. And you know, if you know how to use it, which again, if you're in the options, you definitely know how to use it. Momentum's picking up here on the Squeeze Pro, right? Orange fired red. It's the way it works. And there's not a lot of momentum right now. I will be taking probably a tremendous amount of shots today. So I'm not in a hurry, but I know I will be taking a lot of trades. All right, not doing much. It's bullish week. Yeah, bullish week. Still bullish, but dying down. We're still trapped inside this range. Oh my gosh. What did I watch this weekend? What did I watch this weekend? Oh, it's a pretty good movie. It's called Unstoppable, right? I think it's a true story. This guy's a wrestler and he was born without a leg, right? He has one leg. And it's his story. It's really good. Really good. Hey, Jennifer Lopez. I don't really like Jennifer Lopez, but you know, her movies are good. I mean, I think she's a complete retard in real life, but sitting right on top of that 3-minute low, right? Opening range 3-minute low. VIX is still trapped. Again, I'm in no hurry. I know there's going to be a lot of trades, and I keep finding myself sometimes over trading these evaluations, and I don't like that. But it's tricky. This is a whole different mindset for me. The mindset before with my, my money was I'll just wait and wait and wait and wait. Oh, boom, 2 trades a week, make a lot, but can't do that. What's up, Jay? Can't do that. Yo, yo, yo. You know what I'm saying? Just can't. I mean, the mentality is so much different. I haven't even started trading my PA yet. I know the mentality there is going to be different too. So, all right. So, we have a key level of 79.25. The VIX is still undecided. The ticks are coming in at around 300-ish to the down. Charles went short way up here. Okay, 90. The hell's 90 at? Not yet. Okay. I'm also not gonna, me personally, I'm not gonna do any bounce trades. I'm just focusing on key level breaks. That's all I'm focusing on. And I'm changing it up the way I do it. That's all I'm focusing on. You know, last week I took some bounce trades. They didn't work out like I wanted, so I'm going to stay away from those bounce trades. I'm just going to focus on key level breaks. That's what I'm doing. You can ask me any question. I have no problem telling you, right? I'm here trading, doing my thing. Y'all are doing your thing. I have no problem, right? I don't hide nothing. Okay? If you ask, I tell you what I do, period. Y'all. Okay? If you don't ask, that's it. It's fine. We keep doing our thing. All right, so we're still bullish week. Again, I got the Forecast Pro. I'm going to be using it same way I use options. Okay, we're down here in that 20 range. I'm not doing bounces. Boom, Charles went short. Is heading back up. He's probably not in this trade anymore. He said he got plus 30. It went down a little bit. Understand, guys, Charles does several contracts, okay? And he's really a wizard at his management, like a wizard. Got a bullish divergence here on the Forecast Pro. You can also see this little dot. See that line that prints? There's a dot. If you have the upper study set, it also prints it's up there. Bearish strengthening. We've crossed the 50. So again, it's flipping back and forth. I'm not going to sit there and go into tons of detail all the time, but I'm just kind of introducing it, right? It gives a lot of information. It's an incredible indicator, right? We're in a squeeze. So we're really tight. Really building up a lot of energy. We have 2.5 minutes before the 30-minute range is complete. I have no problem trading inside the 30-minute range. I'm going to do that. You know, prior to trading these the prop firm stuff, I didn't trade inside the 30-minute range. Again, I was very picky. I won a lot. I went on a 2.5-year winning streak, but we're talking only a couple trades a week. It was fine when it's your money. You know, average win was around $1,000 to $2,000. I was doing 50 contracts on the SPY. So, I mean, you take a couple trades a week, you make a couple $1,000s a week. That's fine. But when you're trading this Eval, 2 trades a week ain't going to cut it. It's not going to cut it. Plus, I'm trading the ES. I'm not doing calls and puts. So it's a different ballgame. For me, it's completely a different mentality. And it's taken a little bit to adjust to it, especially in the afternoon. I didn't trade in the afternoon before. The afternoon is a beast. I found out last week a 2-point stop loss is not going to cut it. How many times I got picked off last week with a 2-point stop loss almost drove me crazy. So I'm having to relearn a lot of stuff. I mean, fuck. 2-point stop loss was like death. In the afternoon, in the morning, it always worked fine. In the afternoon, apparently, it's suicide. All right, so we've got 30 seconds. So here's the deal. What I'm going to do is I'm going to right-click and I'm going to draw this key level. Now, the software will draw it in 5 minutes, but I'm going to just draw it right now. I'll make it purple, and I give it a thickness of 2. There we go. 30-minute range is now 30 minutes trading. We're good. So what I'm going to do is let me go in there and post the VIX key levels. All right. Okay, so I'm watching all sorts of information here. Look at these ticks. Watch the VIX. Watch the level. All right, so we got some buyers stepping in right there. And I love putting that clock on this here charts. That helps me out so much. Yeah, trapped. Again, look at all your pieces, right? Look at everything. We're bear strengthening. We're falling, falling, falling. I'm falling and I can't get up. Right? What's that chick? I'm falling and I can't get up. I think that was a commercial. I'm trying to remember. Squeeze, orange squeeze, fired red, went short. There's going to be a tremendous amount of opportunities. I'm going to trade well. I'm not even thinking about evaluations. I'm thinking beyond evaluations on PAs. These evaluations to me don't mean nothing. The PAs are the only thing that matters. And I understand the mentality is different. Ticks are picking up a little bit. Watch out. You could get a fake out. You could get a trap. They bounced off of this negative 600. I would not be surprised if that's a fake out or a trap. Okay. Short trade trigger. That's based on the, what's it? That, I don't even know the hell. I forgot. Clearing range, right? The chick Roggy would use that clearing range. So that means it just broke. But again, watch out for the fake out or the trap. Ticks are picking up. That right there is a trick, you know. Again, just you read the information. I'm just calling out what I see. Intermediate falling. Short-term momentum's falling. We are rising, right? Micro momentum, well, it's kind of flipping back and forth. We're still bearish. We broke down. When does this candle close? Still got a couple minutes. I'm going to go ahead and erase these lines. So we're definitely biased down for sure. Again, I'm not doing any more bounce trades. At least this week, I'm not doing any bounce trades. I'm only doing key level breaks. It's the only thing I'm doing. I'm 1 for 1 right now. I'm just taking my time. First trade I took, hit full target. Just taking my time. It's going back up. All right, so here's what I'm going to do on YouTube. Right now, what I'm going to do on YouTube is, hey, thanks for popping in and joining me. We are inside the private members area. So for the next half of trading, we're going to be doing it inside the school. So y'all here, hang tight. Okay, if, I was thinking about this, we'll trade about 30 minutes or so on YouTube Live. After that, we're going to only trade for members, right? That's one of the benefits of being a member. And then we do option trading and all that. So for those of you on YouTube, if you want to join us in the school, check down below. Everybody in here, I'm not going anywhere. We're just logging off of YouTube, right? Again, it's one of the benefits of joining, right? I was thinking about that a lot. I'm not going to be going the full hour on YouTube anymore. That's only going to be for members. All right. We'll see y'all. We'll see y'all back here tomorrow. Everybody else, let's keep watching.